Now this is what we've been waiting for, the installation of our solid surface countertops. Now with solid surface countertops, there's a lot of fabrication that takes place before they make it out on the job, but once they make it out on the job, it doesn't take long to complete a kitchen of this size. Before these guys started setting counters, they built up the cabinet tops with strips of plywood to accommodate the thick edge we're using. The large panels are made slightly larger than the space they need to fit, so they can be marked and cut to fit on site. The guys scribe a line on the back edge of the counter where it makes contact with long sections of the wall so that they can trim it to fit that contour. Raw edges for cutouts like this one for the range are buffed to a smooth finish. When everything is ready, they apply adhesive to the cabinets and lower the tops into place. For long sections, like the one where the sink is located, several pieces are used, and then they're bonded together with a special adhesive and clamps. When they're dry, the seam is sanded and buffed until it completely disappears. Well, they tell me there's a seam right here, but you certainly can't tell it. That's one of the big advantages of using a solid surface type of countertop like we've used here, is that you can have a countertop like this one that's about 15 feet long without any seams visible at all. The guys did a great job.